Chickpea burgers are succulent and nutritious, a tasty vegetarian choice, rich in protein and herbs. Ingredients: 400 grams of cooked chickpeas, 1 clove of garlic, a tablespoon of chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 egg, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil for cooking, a pinch of chopped rosemary or basil, 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese. Preparation: if you're using canned chickpeas, drain and rinse them well to remove the excess liquid. In a food processor, grind the chickpeas until you get a homogeneous mixture, but still with some chunks for a pleasant texture. Transfer the mixture into a bowl and add the finely chopped garlic, parsley, breadcrumbs, flour, and egg. Season with salt, pepper, and your choice of aromatic herbs. Mix everything well until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. If it's too soft, you can add a bit more flour or breadcrumbs. Shape the burgers with your hands, ideally of the same size to cook them evenly. Heat a drizzle of oil in a nonstick pan and cook the burgers for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side over medium heat until they become golden and crispy. Serve them hot, ideally accompanied by burger buns, a few lettuce leaves, tomato slices, and sauces to taste. Fun fact: chickpea burgers are a versatile dish that adapts well to many variations. In Italy, it is common to use aromatic herbs and local cheeses to enrich the flavor. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated and visit our website for more tasty recipes.